My hair's a hot mess. And I'm just hot. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige and let's just jump into the video. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas this season. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be turning myself into Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I've been forgetting to say it for the last few beauty videos, so I'll just say it again. I am not a beauty guru in any way, shape or form. I haven't even attempted this look before. I tend to kind of just have ideas and then do them without putting any planning into them. But hopefully this goes okay. I have looked up a little bit of inspiration on Instagram, so I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to be doing. It is far too hot to be wearing this, but I kind of wanted to make it look like I'm wearing more than just a sports bra. But let's make this video awesome anyway. I swear I'm getting cringier with every vid. Let's do this. Now, I made a poll on Twitter asking you guys if you wanted this video to be a beauty video, like a tutorial, or just one of my time lapses. However, I didn't get like a whole bunch of votes because I did it at a weird time where it's like the middle of the night for most of you. But I got one vote that said they wanted this to be a tutorial, so here I am. So that is my primer. Next I am doing foundation. Now my tan is going away, so my foundation is probably going to go back to not matching, but I don't care because I'm just going to tan again anyway. So the last two products I have used, my primer and this, are my e.l.f. products. Okay, so next taking my Pretty Little Palettes contour kit. This is the medium one, which was sent to me by mistake, but I still find ways to use. So I'm going to put brown like along the cheekbones and my forehead sort of area. I'm just going to put brown in like areas where you would normally see brown on a deer's face. Who wants to bet this is going to be my worst tutorial ever? Because I have like zero idea what I'm doing. I mean, usually I have no idea what I'm doing, but this time it's super obvious that I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so blending that in. Now I'm taking my Kat Von D. I'm putting it pretty much all the places that there would be white on the deer's face. Actually, I'm not sure if that's correct. I'm putting it kind of where you'd normally put concealer. And I'm leaving my nose for now because I have shit I have to do there. Okay, so now I think I want to work on the white dots. Now I'm going to try and do this with just my white lipstick. I don't know exactly how it's going to go, but we will see. Okay, so that's working. We're just going to pretend that one never happened. I'm not planning on fixing it, but we're just going to pretend it never happened. It's so much harder on my forehead because like I can't see what I'm doing. Let's try this side first because this side I can kind of see what I'm doing. Fuck this side. That side sucks and I have no intention of fixing it. Now I'm gonna do my nose. nose is done. Now I think I'm going to work on my eyes, starting off with eyebrows. Now, using the shade Twig from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, I'm just going to do that on my eyebrows. I genuinely have no idea what happened to this eyebrow. It's like one day it was there and the next day it wasn't. And no, I haven't been plucking them or anything. It was stolen. My eyebrow was stolen. I don't know. Now I'm just going to take the shade Birch and put that all in my crease. I should have put tape on. Now going back in with my Kat Von D. Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gotta find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you and yours. Now just setting that concealer in place with the shade Fresh. I'll go up and fix that crease shade in a second. But just doing the same thing on the other eye. So not our best performance so far. Okay, now I'm going to take this white shade and a random colour co palette that I have. I really need to get me like a good white eyeshadow. This isn't quite right. This is where my white eyeliner comes in. Why is it that when I finally need to use eyeliner, every pencil sharpener in the house has gone missing? I think it's just that my white eyeliner sucks. So, remind me guys, I need a decent white eyeshadow and a white eyeliner that doesn't suck. So I keep forgetting that this is a tutorial. So now that you've done all of this kind of white, I mean like, if you're a proper makeup person, you probably have like actual white that's decent. I don't. So here we are. Anyways, now that you have done that, we are going to, let's do the wings first. We're using the Rimmel London eyeliner paint pot thing. Try and make the wing parallel to the crease makeup. I'm gonna fix that up soon. But now I'm gonna take this brown eyeliner and do some faint lines underneath the white part in the lower lash line. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing. I think this needs to be whiter and the wing needs to be bigger. And I kind of want to darken up the crease bit as well. So just do that other eye and then attempt to make it look not insane. Yeah, definitely need to make the wings bigger. I really hope nobody's actually attempting to follow this as a tutorial, because like if you are, I'm sorry. Actually, that would be like a really funny video. Someone who knows like nothing about makeup trying to follow one of my tutorials in which I also know nothing about makeup. I keep making it worse and I'm not quite sure how to stop. Holy shit, this is not good. I'm gonna take a break from my eyes for now. I mean, there's not much left to do on them anyway, except for maybe just blending everything a little bit more and doing some lashes. But I'm gonna move on to my nose. Taking some red eyeshadow to set that all. Now that everything else is coming together, I look a little less crazy, kind of, marginally. But now we're going to do the black line down, going down to our lip. So yeah, that was super simple. Next, the black top lip. Now I have to try and make myself not do the whole pressing your lips together afterwards thing. Okay, no, that's not looking bad at all. Okay, so do mascara. Still can't find my lashes. Okay, so I had to do all the finishing touches off camera because the damn thing died. But this is the finished look. I don't hate it. I think it definitely could be better, but I don't hate it. Thank you so much for tuning into the worst tutorial ever. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which of Santa's reindeers are your favorite. Mine is Dancer. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!